Rahim, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. This is me, Iman Fatma. In my last video, I had told you about sentence and its types according to structure. Today you will learn about types of sentences according to function. And at the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the types of sentences according to function. So let's get started. How many types of sentences according to function? Functionally, sentences are of mainly four types: declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. The first one is declarative sentence or an assertive sentence. It simply expresses an opinion, feeling, or makes a statement or describes things. In other words, it declares something. This type of sentence ends with a full stop. For example, I want to be a good cricketer. It's a statement. I'm very happy today. It's a feeling. So we can say that declarative sentences states a fact, does not need an answer, and is punctuated with a period. The next is imperative sentence. We use an imperative sentence to make a request or to give a command. Imperative sentences usually end with a period, but under certain circumstances, it can end with a note of exclamation. For example, please sit down and I need you to sit down now. So we can say that imperative sentences gives direct command and is punctuated with a period or an exclamation mark. The next is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question and ends with a note of interrogation. For example, when are you going to submit your assignment? Do you know him? So we can say interrogative sentences asks a direct question and is punctuated with a question mark. The next is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses overflow of emotions. These emotions can be of happiness, wonder, sorrow, anger, etc. For example, what a day it was. I cannot believe he would do that. So we can say exclamatory sentences states an exciting fact and is punctuated with an exclamatory mark. If you like this lesson, give it thumbs up by hitting like button and subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button to get my latest lessons. Thank you for watching me. I will be back soon inshallah with another video. Thank you.